Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Unexplained weight loss and a persistent cough together can signal serious lung issues like pneumonia, tuberculosis, or lung cancer. These conditions cause chronic inflammation and affect nutrient absorption, while your body uses more energy and you lose your appetite. The cough helps clear your lungs, but noticing both symptoms means you should seek medical advice promptly.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.